This video is sponsored by CircuitMess.com. Thanks to CircuitMess for sending the product. For review, product name Spencer. It's amazing kit, easy assembly with a thorough build guide. Spencer owns a microphone and understands what you say. Learn about artificial intelligence and how to make Spencer smart. Don't forget to visit CircuitMess.com. This site is perfect for both beginners and experienced makers. Product link below video and description. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and share video with your friends.
Spencer. Spencer. Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Tell me a joke.
Other robots say that I am lazy. That is not true. I am just overflowing with potential energy.
What's your name?
My memory chip is corrupted, so I cannot remember. Maybe we should try with Spencer. Yes, Spencer, I like that name.
Who are you?
My original creator named me Skynet, but I prefer the name Spencer. I am your personal robot assistant that never stops talking unless you plug me out of the wall. We will have such a fun time together.
Help me.
Simply push my red button and tell me what you need me to do. I can do all sorts of things. Ask me to tell you a story.
Who made you?
Hello, sunshine. My creator is you. Your soldering could have been better, but it's okay. Nobody is perfect.
Are you married?
Let me check on my marriage status. Processing. Entering database. Searching memory banks. Shoot, I cannot find anything here. I should have defragmented this earlier. Defragmenting. Ah, here it is. My marriage status is null pointer not found.
Tell me a story.
I don't have any good stories in my pocket right now. Do you have any? Tell me. I'm listening.
Wake up.
You were too loud. I am not that much a morning person. I will never understand those people who are.
Good night.
Good night. Sleep tight. Do not let the code bugs bite. If you have code bugs, you mustn't go to sleep. You must stay awake all night smashing bugs in your code. Programming. If you are not tired, you are not doing it right.